Hello and welcome again to Fud with Nuts. So here's another problem. 27 to the power of 3m minus 14 is equal to 3 to the power of 30 minus 9 to the power of 14 over e. We are going to find the value of m. So here's the solution. Let's write it down. Now for this 27, let's write it in terms of 3. So that is a to the power of t all to the power of 3m minus 14 equals this 3 to the power of 30. The power of 30, we can split that into 28 plus 2. So that is 3 to the power of 28 plus 2 minus 9 to the power of 40. The base 9, we can break it in terms of 3. And that is 3 squared all to the power of 14 and all over 8. So the four portions that we change the bases in terms of 3 so that they will have the same bases. As you can see, 3, 3, and 3. And then next is, by funneling the power rule, we are going to multiply the power and the power. So that is 3 to the power of 3 times 3m, that is 9m. 3 times negative 14, that is negative 42. Equals 3 to the power of 28 plus 2 minus 3 to the power of 2 times 14, that is 28, or over 8. And then next, for this part, 3 to the power of 28 plus 2, we are going to follow a rule that we need to separate a base and a power. So that is 3 to the power of 9m minus 42 equals 3 to the power of 28 times 3 to the power of 2 minus 3 to the power of 28 all over 8. So for this one, the rule that I am following is a to the power of x plus y is equal to a to the power of x times a to the power of y. And then moving on, that is 3 to the power of 9m minus 42 equals 3 to the power of 28 times 3 squared, that is equivalent to 9, minus 3 to the power of 28 or over 8. Now for this, we can identify the common. The common is 3 to the power of 28. So that is 3 to the power of 9m minus 42 is equal to 3 to the power of 28 times, if we divide 3 to the power of 28 times 9 divided by 3 to the power of 28, this will be cancelled, and the remaining is 9 minus 3 to the power of 28 divided by 3 to the power of 28, that is 1, or over 8. And this is 3 to the power of 9m minus 42 equals 3 to the power of 28 times 8, because 9 minus 1 is 8, or over 8. And we can cancel this 8 and 8. So the remaining is 3 to the power of 9m minus 42 is equal to 3 to the power of 28. And then moving on, now that they have the same bases, that means they can equate the power. So this is 9x minus 42 is equal to 28. Then let's take 28 to the other side, and that is 9x minus 42 minus 28 is equal to 0. And that is 9x negative 42 minus 28. That is negative 70 or minus 70 equals 0. And then let's take negative 70 to the other side, and that is 9x is equal to 70. And let's divide both sides by line. So this will be cancelled. We have x is equal to 70 over 9. And this is the final answer. X is equal to 70 over 9. Therefore, 27 to the power of 3m minus 14 is equal to 3 to the power of 30 minus 9 to the power of 40, all over 8. The value of m is equal to 70 over 9. And that's all for today. Hope you enjoy and learn from this video. And for more videos, subscribe to 5 Minutes.